What makes all of us unique and distinctly ourselves are our story and all the experiences, good and bad, that brought us to be who we are. I was born in Brazil and my parents didn't have any money and things were tough. But education was their top priority, so me and my brother could have a better future. I studied really hard and got into the best university in my country, but then life happened and I struggled finding a job. I moved to the US because I fell in love with an American and we got married. So I was making actually less than 12 bucks per hour working retail before I finally got the call I dreamed about for so many years. At 30 years of age, I was getting my first corporate job at Veeam. And just last year, the most amazing thing happened in my life. I became the mother of a beautiful baby boy. I would say that my parents made me a fighter. The adversities made me resilient. My son made me strong, and Veeam gave me the opportunity to prove what I am made of and turn my personal story into a successful career.